All right, day 6, time for the hike. Should be fun. Got my stick with me, backpack, water, some trail snacks, and we're gonna start this. It's 1,064 steps. So here we go. It says 90 minutes one way. Maybe it's gonna be a little less, I don't know. All I know is my feet and legs are gonna be killing me. Same month, and I might need a massage. Whew. Nice cool breeze though, that's a good thing. Sweaty as hell. Climbing these steep ass steps. Whew. See the ocean out there. We're getting there. Getting pretty high up. Still not there though. Still tons of steps. And my glutes are fucking killing me. Oh, this just shows you how out of shape I am. When I get back, I need to work out. Oh. Whew. Gonna burn a shit ton of calories today, boy. Whew. So, alright, a little rest stop here. Thought I'd sit down for a second. Whew. Yeah, I know. You fit people probably like, holy shit, look at him. Oh, this is why it pays off to do endurance and cardio. I don't care how big you are. You're a big, huge dude, you fucking take a tumble down this hill. Oh, God. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be worth it when we get to the top. Already seeing beautiful views. And then, we'll head down, which will be the easy part. Then shower, definitely. Relax. And then do a nice little island tour before hopping on the Wind airplane back to St. Martin. Oh, man. Whew. Still going. Higher up. Fucking more steep stairs. Headed to the clouds, baby. To the clouds. You can see, we get up into the clouds. There's gonna be more clouds around this. Whew. Also, higher altitude. I believe it's like 2,600 some feet above sea level. Whew. So, definitely get a little bit more of a breathing workout the higher you get. Look what I found here. Baby snail. Baby snail. Do 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 do. Baby snail. Do 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 do. Baby snail. Ooh. It's getting cloudier. Other thing. Ooh. The weather could just change up so quickly here. It's like 1 minute it's cloudy, next minute you got a view, then it's cloudy, then there's a view. It just switches up on you. Whole trek up here. Whew. Ooh, as you can tell, I am sweaty. So, what do? Replenish your electrolytes. Some Gatorade water. Gatorade water. One of my favorite scenes from the Water Boy. But yeah, gotta replenish the electrolytes. Keep this journey going. This is the last pit stop before you get to the top. Oh God, this is so good. Oh, I needed that. Yeah, and as you see, as you climb it up here too, to get back down or to do anything else, you got a few other different trails, so everything is pretty clearly marked. So this is Buzz Mountain Trail. They have all these little ones that work like little channels off the mountain, but as you see, the mountain part is the one that has the steps that kind of just clear path steps. These ones they're pretty much clear paths. You'll be able to tell where you're going, but it's mostly mud and dirt. So if it does rain or anything like that, it definitely gets super slippy with all the grass and the mud. So I'm just gonna keep it easy today. On the way back down, I'm just doing that, getting down there, getting something to eat, and then doing the tour. Yeah, I know with the clouds, you don't really see how high up we are. We're fucking high. This just tells you, you see the mountains in pictures and like videos I showed you where the clouds covering the top. So we're pretty much getting to that peak, or right there, and we're up in the clouds. Beautiful lush greenery all around. And as you start getting steeper, got little banners and handrails. So hold on, because yeah, we're getting there, baby. Oh folks, I made it to the first scenic view. That's your electrical tower. Got two different scenic views. One that way, one that way. Yeah, so take a walk over this lovely area. Big old electrical tower. As you see, we are high up. Definitely not for the faint at heart, that's for sure. Got all the clouds blowing through. I'm telling you, man, when people say you can't do things, can't achieve things, just go for it. I didn't think I was gonna make it up this fucking mountain, and I did. So, I'm proud of myself. Made it this far. And definitely at points I was stopping, I was just like, holy shit, how am I making this? But sure enough, I did. And we are up in the mountain. More cliff, all that fun stuff there. Clouds and a magical fairyland. So sorry I couldn't give you a better view, but it's a hit or miss when you do these hikes, man. You come up here, you may have a view, you may not. Like I said, the clouds change multiple times throughout the day, but then also when there's no clouds, you're getting yourself pure sun, so you're gonna burn up and sweat like crazy. I'm sweating like crazy, and it's not even sunny out, so no clouds, sun. It's pretty much like hiking in the desert. But no, we made it up here. It's the best I'm gonna be able to give you. Definitely, if you're in Saba, do the hike. If you're here multiple days, then you can do multiple hikes, and maybe one of those days you can have the nice view to it. But anyway, yeah. So now downward, back to town, backward to the windward side, and that should be a whole lot easier because it's fucking downhill. Thank the Lord. So see you in town, baby. Downward we shall go to infinity and beyond. Victory Food and Beer. So this one, 242 years old. And is this your one police station?
Yep.
Yes, I'm headed to a church, Roman Catholic church. Pretty much said I should go check it out. The mural in here is supposed to be amazing. Very, very nice. Great artwork. That is the airport that I come in on and leave from. See how short that is? So we're at the airport now, finished the island tour. If you ever need somebody who pretty much knows everything about the island, 8th generation, guy's name's Wayne, taxi driver on the island. Awesome, awesome dude. Definitely, when you come here, just ask for Wayne, the cab driver. Everyone knows him. Just like I said, everyone knows everybody down here. So you got that. And then about to just wait another hour or so for the plane back to St. Martin. And then we'll have some fun over there. Yeah, then we'll get to see the takeoff. Hopefully that'll be as entertaining as it was landing. There we go, in St. Martin. This is where I'm staying. So, gonna get settled in and then head back out. So welcome to my St. Martin humble abode. This is where I'm gonna be spending the next few days to finish off the vacation. Got a little kitchenette, got a nice little bathroom in here. Stand-up shower, looking nice. So it's the Liberty Inn. I ended up finding it on Airbnb. They renovated it post-hurricane, so not a bad deal whatsoever. Got it for a great price, and it's awesome. So I already know the area. Literally right across the street is a new nightclub. Well, it's not new, but when Tantra was the major nightclub down here with the casino Omaha got destroyed, they went and they made another one over here, which is called Lotus, and definitely gonna check it out one of these nights. But for tonight, I think I'm gonna keep it kind of low key, nothing too crazy. So, but then again, who knows? As you see, anything can happen. So I will check y'all later.